Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Klarna at Walmart. So let's get started. First of all, you get to shop at Walmart through the website, the Walmart mobile app, or by visiting a nearby store. Select the products you want to purchase and continue to the checkout page. At the payment step, find the option labeled One Pay Later powered by Klarna and select it as your payment method. This will open the financing options available for your purchase. Klarna will display the repayment details before you continue, making it easy to review your choices. Depending on your eligibility, you'll be able to choose from installment plans of up to 3 payments. Each option shows the amount due today along with the remaining scheduled payments. Pick the plan that fits your budget, then proceed to finalize your order. If you're making the purchase in a Walmart store, you may be asked to approve the payment using the OnePay or Klarna app on your phone. After your order is confirmed, Walmart will send a confirmation email containing your complete repayment schedule. The email includes your payment dates and the amount due for each installment, so you can keep track easily. To monitor or manage your payments, open either the Klarna app or the OnePay app. There, you can review upcoming installments, pay ahead of schedule if you'd like, and follow your payment history. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.